guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. And not when I say learning the business, I'm using that very loosely. Are you getting documents and then you're going to the client, going to Facebook and say, how do I process this? What goes here? And then you try to go to the client and you think you're going to have $100,000 a year business doing that? Nope. You're not. You're not. I see it all day long. So people put in Facebook, right? They got a signing. They got a power of attorney signing or a loan signing, and they put in Facebook, what goes here? Take a picture of it. Check, 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 check. And they put in a picture of it in Facebook. What goes here? And I'm thinking to myself, you should not be out there notarizing nobody's documents. Your state gave you a stamp, but they didn't teach you what to do. They didn't give you a skill. They didn't give you a skill. So we got to learn what we're doing in order to make this money we're talking about. You cannot just go out there. Are you paying your doctor just because he got a, you want to, when you're looking for a doctor even, I read reviews on everything. I don't go any place and I don't look at reviews. Now, I do want to share something else with y'all. And this is just about customer service again. I was trying to sign up with this company or this website called Go High Level. And so it's like an app where you can do all the different things for your business. Social media, literally you can do so much with it. It's just amazing, right? Had a one-on-one call with her, someone from the company. They were supposed to be teaching me how to use the website. So she proceeds to tell me, yeah, if you don't pay like $600 today, I had to sign up for a trial. If I don't pay for the trial period in upfront and sign up for their actual sessions to get my system up and running, then the call was going to end basically. So I said, you mean if I don't pay you $600 today, you're not going to provide me with any information? She's like, I didn't say that. So then she proceeds to tell me the same thing again, like I am slow. I said, I understood what you said, but I'm just confirming. Are you saying I got to pay you $600? Her customer service skills were terrible. Absolutely terrible. Let me tell you how bad they were. I unenrolled in the free period. I don't want nothing from them. I don't want anything from them. I'm going to say where I am with my business. Yes, is it going to affect my business a little bit? And some people may say, even the guy I was hiring on Fiverr to help me with it, he said, well, I wouldn't make a whole business decision based on that one person. But it was that bad of an experience. So I say that to say this. With your notary business, if you're trying to get it started, or any business you're in, because I'm going to go on my tangent about owning something shortly. But any business that you're in, provide excellent service. Treat the people the way you want to be treated. Okay? My dad always said it don't cost nothing to say hello. Her tone was ugly with me. Her everything was ugly. So at the end, I didn't want to do business with them. I don't care if they was giving it to me for free. I'm not doing business with High Level right now. Go High Level is what it's called. I'm not. I left a remark for them. Why was I canceling? I only had it for 2 days. I was so gung-ho. I'm about to pay somebody to help me get everything set up, and nope. So when people call you, do you act like you want the business? Can they feel you want the business? You know, my neighbors, are you like, the way you even answer the phone, I'm like, hello, thank you for calling Better Mobile Notary Services. This is Kimberly. Speak clearly, open your mouth, let them know, let them feel it. It's an experience. People pay for experiences. How many restaurants have you been to and you're like, oh man, I love going there because of the ambiance. I love going there because of the decor. I love the drinks there, right? How many times do you make decisions based on just how you feel, right? So it's the same thing in our notary space. Any business you have, make the people feel like you want their business, and don't be fake. People can spot fake a long way off. They can smell it. They can smell desperation. That's why a lot of times I hear some of you ask me about business credit. I am not anti business credit, but it's not the first thing I tell you to do. Jeffrey, do you remember what you told me to talk about? I forgot the second topic. I know it was pricing. What was the other thing? No, it was something else. I know what it was now. Contacting your clients. Okay, thank you. I got it. I have an appointment that I need to call and schedule. This one is like a TBD. Okay, this is TBD, to be determined. So if you are full time, a lot of my full time people ask me, I'm changing topic while it's fresh. A lot of my full time people will ask me, and I'm gonna come back to business credit. A lot of my full time people say, "Hey Kimmi, I can't get these jobs when other people are getting them. How can I work my business and I work full time?" Take TBDs. That means to be determined. That means you and the client, y'all don't have no set time frame. Get it done when you can get it done. Okay? Whatever works best for both of you. So I have one of those that I have to schedule. I called the client yesterday, no answer. I think I left my number, no answer. So today I'm going to text the person. I didn't do it yesterday because I was just tired. So I didn't feel like doing nothing extra. But when I do go in, I'm going to text that person, just a quick text, and say hello, introduce myself. I'm Kimberly Nunnally. I will be your notary. Trying to schedule an appointment with you. So if you cannot get the person on phone by phone the first time you try, text them. Sometimes you'll have an email. You'll have to email them. So when you get a TBD, again, to be determined, I love those kind of signings, especially for my full-time people and actually anybody, because the client make the appointment together. It's not pre-assigned. So if I can't get there today, it's okay. Usually they'll give you a certain time frame it needs to be completed within. That may be 4 days, 3 days. Typically sooner the better, of course. So I ain't trying to wait till 2 weeks from now. Now I have had that happen where I got a TBD, to be determined, and I had to schedule it with the client and they were not available for 2 weeks. So I don't take it upon myself and say, okay, I'm gonna just schedule it for 2 weeks out. I let the hiring company know, hey, I have this appointment, but the client is actually out of town, out of the country, wherever they are. I've had that happen a lot of times. The client is out of the country, so they won't be back for 2 weeks. Okay, so you want to let the company know. Now let's go back to business credit. That was my other thing. So business credit, I am not anti-business credit. I am not. But when you all ask me that, well, Kimmi, do you think I should take out a loan to get my printer? Do you think I should take out a loan to get my supplies? I'm going to be honest with you. I don't recommend it. I don't. What I'd rather you do is take some field inspection jobs, save it up, save up the money you need for your printer. Buy a single tray, and then you can always use Notary Rotary as an app. They have an app where you can called Page Sorter. It can sort the pages for you. Now, I want you to have a dual tray, but I don't want you going out here and getting all that debt. Notary business don't require all this debt people be trying to sell you. It just doesn't. You can get started for under $150. Start doing field inspections. Okay, something with quick money. Use your full-time monies. Cut the lattes for a minute if you really want to get serious about your business. Okay, I'm not big on getting all this debt because it's got to be paid back, guys. Sometimes people think, well, I'll get it and put it in my LLC. I'm going to go buy a whole Mercedes-Benz or a Land Rover or whatever. I'm going to throw it in my LLC and I ain't got to pay nothing. Excuse me? Do not get it twisted, and do not watch all this stuff on Instagram and Facebook, okay? YouTube, okay? People rent these cars. I found out, I didn't know all this. Some of these people that you're watching on Instagram and YouTube, and they flexing and doing lifestyle content. It's called lifestyle content, where they show you how well they're doing, right? What kind of cars they're driving, where they live at. They're renting this stuff. So I was watching this guy the other day, and he was just saying how a lot of times some of us are more interested in the person because of what they have what they have versus what they can actually teach us. Mm. Think about that. So I'm sitting out here on top of a Mercedes Benz. Y'all like, okay, she balling. Let me listen to her. And that person don't know nothing.